today for the Bitcoin price. And honestly, guys, I want you to go asleep. I already made a video today. I turned off my screens here, literally. I was about to go asleep. But guess what? I found something in the charts, and this is something mind-blowing. This is something monumental, something which might change your opinion on Bitcoin right now. You're asking yourself, Chris, what are you talking about? Hear me out, guys. Watch this video. And if you want more of these additional videos on top of the other videos, all you have to do is smash up the like button, leave your favorite altcoins down below, and of course, share the video with your friends. And now let's talk about this. And if you are interested in altcoins, stick here with me until the very end. This is something I can tell you. So here's one chart. I talked about that one before. And we have a very interesting fractal, right? We have a falling wedge, bullishly biased, hitting the apex, boom, breaking out. Falling wedge, bullish bias, converging trend lines, of course, hitting here the apex, boom, breaking out. And right now, once again, we are having the falling wedge as converging trend lines, hitting at the close to the apex right now, hitting here the trend line. And, well, according to this pattern, we should expect the Bitcoin price to break out, right? The question is to what price target, but also, are we having confluence here? What does it mean for the altcoins? And is Bitcoin actually going to break out? If so, when? All of these things I want to address right now. All of these things I want to talk about right now. And obviously, I am going to show you my $7.4 million US trade. Did I get wrecked or not? Is it still open? Is it in a profit? I will talk about that. I will talk about my price targets and much, much more. All you have to do right now is smash up the like button as you have never smashed it up before. Now let's talk here, continue to talk about the Bitcoin price, because honestly, guys, this is interesting, right? I mean, I was just posting it over on Twitter. By the way, follow me at MMCrypto. I got verified. Shout out to Jack Dorsey. Finally, man. Completely crazy after Peter Schiff, but whatever, right? I like Peter Schiff. I was posting this here before, and just in a few hours, we got here really like a few 100,000 impressions, thousands of likes, hundreds of comments, and the people are really going crazy about this fractal. But there is something more I want to show you. So first of all, what I talked about before is actually something interesting, not only on the daily, but also on the weekly candles. If I am going over here to the weekly candles and then pulling out the 21-week EMA. So here on the weekly candles, you can see the following. Not only the falling wedges, which are coming to an end, not only the bounce from the trend line of the falling wedge and from the upward sloping long-term trend line. No. On the weekly, you can also see here this EMA right now perfectly got touched. I mean, this is something we are waiting for. Every Bitcoin bull is waiting for a bounce on the 21-week EMA. Honestly, let me just go back, man. I mean, this is the Binance US chart, so it will not show you all the price data. But in 2017-16, actually, just to make it sure, we had 7 or 8 touch points within a year, right? So here we just had the last one. Well, what happened after the last one? Boom, massive pump towards the upside. Actually, here we had the last one in September of this year. What happened afterwards? Well, the Bitcoin price pumped from basically $42,000 all the way up to almost $70,000. So you think this is not enough arguments? Well, bear here with me, guys. Let me take out here the total crypto market cap. And if I am on the total market cap, zooming out here a little bit, well, you remember what I was talking about before. Actually, you can see that even a little bit better on the daily candles. This, dear ladies and gentlemen, is something what we in technical analysis call a cup and handle pattern, where we are having a huge cup and a handle. And remember, this is all the altcoins and Bitcoin together. Every single candlestick represents the total crypto market cap within a day. So you can see a massive handle, a cup and a massive handle. So breaking out from here, this would actually bring us to a 3.7 almost trillion dollar market cap. This is a $1.3 trillion higher market cap than we are right now. This is actually a 50% pump in crypto. The whole crypto market cap, according to this price target, should double. But more importantly, remember the apex of Bitcoin. We just touched here once again not only the upward sloping trend line, but are right now supported by the previous neckline of this cup and handle pattern. This is the upper horizontal yellow line. This, ladies and gentlemen, honestly, it is a little bit dangerous and also a little bit controversial to say this right now. And honestly, I could be wrong here. Bitcoin can always break down. I'm just telling you, if you are just zooming out, excluding all the noise, all the fear of the market participants, This is what the chart is telling us right now. On the balance of probabilities, the likelihood should be higher for Bitcoin to break down. And I can actually remember when I was opening my trade, people were making jokes. They were laughing at me. They were spitting at me, spitting on my chin, spitting on my face. Now some of these people are actually coming back, almost wiping the spit once again away because they feel sorry for it. Right now, actually, things are getting a little bit more serious here for Bitcoin. And honestly, guys, I would like to know from you, what do you think is going to happen? By the way, let me quickly talk about my trade because you can see it. I put my money where my mouth is. My trade is also still open. 300,000 US dollars in a profit on this specific trade. Of course, it's not full profits because the funding fees are completely ridiculous. I mean, now they are low, but they have been very high before. However, I stay in this trade because it is a long-term trade. Obviously, if Bitcoin pumps higher, it will have positive implications for the total crypto market cap as well and that means includes all the altcoins as well, because we're just bouncing here from the horizontal new support, which was previously resistance. Something I want to keep you in mind the likelihood of a breakdown is of course much lower for me. Of course, many other people would disagree. If we, however, break this line on Bitcoin on the total crypto market cap with a weekly candle, with volume support, of course, I'm going to go out. I say, hey, this is coming different. This is turning out differently than I expected. Maybe my trade is going to be wiped out. However, then I want you to be very, very careful, guys, because then we are breaking the most important support. And this is, of course, nothing we want to see as Bitcoin bulls, but this is at least something we have to be prepared for. And then we can see price targets of sub 50,000 US dollars. However, guys, this is my thought for today. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. And obviously, not only if you want to trade Bitcoin, and obviously, not only if you want to trade Bitcoin, down below, you will not only find less than 10,000 US dollars for free. Actually, it's like almost 10,000 US dollars for free. On Phemex alone, you get thousands of US dollars by clicking this link. No, also we have the Twitter channel here, vlaunch.com, and of course our lovely MMCrypto and CryptoMo vLaunch community. Make sure you're joining it as well. It is number 1 and 2 in the world out our 2 vLaunch communities, and that's absolutely beautiful. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye bye.